champion breakfast this morning. We have here 2 pieces of fried chicken with homemade sauce, well seasoned fries, coffee to wash it down, a green sugar cake, and 2 banana ball on the side. Let's see how this goes. Chicken tasting nice. Fried chicken, I love that. Season fries going on good. Good food, good food. Coffee to wash it down. Going on good, going on good. Good food, good food. Well, the banana ball is mine. Crunchy, sweet and nice. Chacarito. Going on good. No coffee. Yes, good food, good food.